This is so pretty. Like, why would anyone give this away? Oh, I see why.
What is up, guys? Welcome to the Mirror Table, where what you bring to the table is a reflection of you. And today we are bringing a thrift haul. So we went thrifting the other day, and I want to show you everything I got back from our thrift haul and show you what's on my bookshelves and all the cool books and knickknacks that we found while we were out thrifting. And we're gonna put up holiday decorations. So I do have a quick DIY on some holiday decorations that we made out of packaging material. I get a lot of things from TikTok Shop, and I have tons and tons of boxes. So we made some Christmas decorations out of some of the boxing material, and we'll show you a little quick DIY on that. Let's go ahead and do the thrift haul. And since we're just putting up the tree and doing some holiday decorations in the thrift haul, let me show you guys my lounge outfit that I'm wearing today. So let's do a quick outfit check. So just a little off-the-shoulder lounge outfit, which I really like. I got it on my Ugg slippers. So this is really cute and warm and comfy for winter, for fall, winter. I love the color and I love the texture. It's like that teddy bear kind of soft texture. So two-piece lounge outfit is what I'm wearing. So let's go ahead and go down and start the thrift haul. Come on. Okay, guys, we are in the living room library, and we are going to take a look at some of the things that I found at the thrift store. And let me show you this horse. We found this horse, and it's a little like knick-knack horse. It's not real brass. I'm not sure what it's made out of, but he was missing a tail, and we did a quick little upcycle and put a tail on him. But let me show you how it looked before, and then I'm gonna show you after.
So this is what we found in the thrift store. This is a horse statue. First glance, he is like beautiful. Like, why would anyone give this away? It is so pretty, and it's gonna be such a nice decorative piece. And I turned it around, and if you look closely, he's missing his tail. So there's a hole right smack dab in the middle. So I was challenged to come up with something because I wanted this horse really, really bad. He could also use some touch-up paint on its base, but isn't he pretty? This is such a pretty horse. So let me show you guys what we came up with.
Now look at him now, guys. Look what we did. So what we did is we took a tassel that comes that you put on curtains, and we just glued it to his butt. so we figured, the tail of a horse is usually hair, anyway. So we just took a tassel from a drapery tassel, and we just glued it right on the horse's butt, and he now has a tail. So these are things you can do. You see it at the store. You don't have to totally throw it out. I mean, people were looking at us like, do you know a horse doesn't have a tail? We're like, we know. We already knew exactly what we're going to do with it. But this is so pretty. So I got it stacked on a book. But really, really cute horse. I love him. And right next to my bookshelf. This is like a collection of old books down here. Let's see. We got some little knickknacks. There's a little knickknack here. Another collection of books, and let's see what's over here. Guys, we found a collection of Harry Potter books. It's amazing when you find it at their store. Harry Potter from the thrift store, guys. Older books here, and a cute little, this is like a tic-tac-toe set down here. We like objects of interest, so that came out so pretty. And then this clock. I got to show you the DIY on this clock. So this clock was actually 2 clocks. I think I did like a video or I found this larger clock here. I found this, it didn't have any hands or anything on it. It's just a clock with the numbers on it, right? And then I found another clock at another time, and this works perfectly. And since this didn't have hands or a center part, we just attached the smaller clock to the big clock.
So this is how the clock looked when I first saw it in the thrift store. And I thought initially I would buy some hands to put on the clock, but the battery pack in the back wasn't working right. I thought, well, I'll just replace the whole mechanism and get a new clock part and some hands and just install it back. I mean, I only paid $3 for it, so it's definitely worth playing around with and experimenting to see what I could come up with. After I took off the centerpiece, I looked up on the wall and I'm like, wait a minute. I thrifted this other clock earlier in the year, and what if this fits in the center of the other clock? You know, create my own artistic clock. So I put it on the bigger clock, and the mechanism in the back fit in it perfectly. And I only thrifted this clock for like $2. Didn't have to buy anything extra. I just put the clocks together, created my own design, and I have this big, huge clock that's only $5. Originally, I had my TV right here in this space, but I'm really glad I was able to combine these two pieces to make
one big clock. And what's cool is that it's all Roman numerals. So the center clock has Roman numerals out. So it's like a 3D clock. And then these little lights, these are magnetized. I got these off of TikTok shop, and they just magnetize to the numbers, because the numbers are metal, and it made little sconces on the clock. So how cool is that? A DIY clock, one of a kind, something that my mom and I put together, and it came out really, really cute.
Okay, back to the thrift haul. Okay, so we saw these cute little object of interest, like a little chair with some books on top, and I put a little holiday gnome on top of the chair. Came out really cute. Picked this gnome up from the Dollar Tree. They have some really good holiday ornaments.
Okay, let's scan over here on the bookshelves. Okay, so these are some little acorns, thrift store guys. So we found these little cat bookends, thrift store guys. I can't believe what you can find in the thrift store. Found both. And then we found a set of books. These are, I think, like German books. We don't know what they say, but we like the color. It's really pretty. And then we found this vase. This is like $3, this big, large vase here. Let's see what else. All these books, thrift store guys, tons of books. So cute. Thrift store, right in the Goodwill bins. Really cute. And these little cars they sent me from TikTok shop. We thought they were cute. They're little remote control cars. And thrift store. What else? These plates. I mean, everything, guys. Look at my little turkey. He's so cute. So all this stuff, thrift store. I don't want to touch anything else and mess it up. A little train, thrift store. And look at this anchor. Love this anchor. And then there's some books. We found some wallpaper at the thrift store, and we just covered some books and made like a little map. Put the little wooden anchor on top. And then I love lighthouses. So we got two. This one is actually a cookie jar there. Okay, and this one is actually a light.
And on the other side of my living room library is this bookshelf, and found some really great books. And check out this little picture. So cute. I just love adding little objects of interest on the bookshelf, and you can just set a picture up there. I got this little vase from the thrift store. All of these books came from the thrift store. I put an open picture frame. And look at this little game. This is like a vintage Connect 4 game, which is really cute. Now it's time for a holiday decor DIY. I made this cute tablescape centerpiece from the packaging material of these flameless candles that I got from Amazon, and I will link them below. Check out how I did it. If you ordered the 3-piece candle set, don't throw away the packaging material. I'm gonna show you how to make this DIY candle centerpiece for your holiday table. Okay, my faux candles came packaged in here. My mom and I thrifted some faux foliage and pine cones and flowers, and we're gonna use these to decorate this foam packaging material. So all you need is some faux flowers and some hot glue. Remove the wires in the stem from the flowers so they'll be easy to hot glue to the foam. So as mom is releasing the flowers, I am arranging them on the foam to come up with a pattern to see how I want to lay this out. I'm using colors that represent fall. So I have the green leaves, I have the changing color leaves. I'm just going to glue them in a pattern that is pleasing to me. I suggest you do the same. Just glue them to your heart's desire. Add in some holiday elements like pine cones and holly and little berries. And this is what I came up with. So let's go ahead and put in the faux candles. Let's turn it on. It came out so pretty. This is such a fun and easy DIY. It was so fun to be creative and create your own holiday decoration. You can literally make from nothing. Like all of these flowers were in the thrift store. Goodwill Outlet has bags and bags of them. People donate their stuff every year. And you just get a bag and just be creative. Create your own holiday decor. Also, you can look at your own old holiday decor and revamp it, renew it, and make something fresh and creative. I just love how this came out. So let's play some music and feel the ambiance. And let me show you some of my decorations. Okay, so these are some holiday decorations that my mom and I did together. We just took apart an old thrifted Christmas tree. This right here, this came from the Dollar Tree, and these are all thrifted. We just made our own. We got the stocking. I think we got
the stocking from the Dollar Tree, I believe, last year, like late last year. This is another spray. Now these oranges, we dried these. We just cut oranges up, dried them out, put them in a dehydrator, and this is another piece of the Christmas tree that we took apart and just made a spray. So this goes on top of the fireplace. This is my fireplace. Look how cute the fireplace looks. Guys, this is so pretty. Okay, so on this side is another spray. This candle, thrift store. This is all thrifted Christmas tree, took apart, made our own. Dollar Tree, little Santa right there, and then another stocking. So let's stand back and take a look at this. But look how cute, guys. Look at my fireplace. This came out so nice. Now let's look at my dining room table. Look at the holiday spray that we made. So we used some pumpkins and dehydrated oranges and everything else we got from either the Dollar Tree or the thrift store. That came out so pretty, and I'm just so happy that you can make arrangements for really nothing. Just find a bunch of thrifted items, thrift store items, some fresh fruits, and dehydrate them. You have a tablescape. And these are faux flameless candles. I just stuck them inside of some candle holders that I thrifted, and it came out so cute, guys. Also, the glasses and the plates on the table, all thrifted. Thrift store is the perfect place for china and glassware. Yeah, always make sure I have a very thrifted holiday. Okay guys, so this is my tree, and today we're just gonna light the tree. It has lights on it, and we're gonna plug it in and we're gonna light it, and then tomorrow we will decorate it. But right now my tree is on a little table. Look at my little candy cane. Let's plug it in and see how she looks. There she is, all lit up and sparkly. So tomorrow we're gonna decorate her, put some pretty decorations on her, and like a little sneak peek of what's in the box. Got some little sparkly decorations, so we're gonna do something really fun and special. So I will see you guys tomorrow, and happy holidays. Bye.